Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, guys, S-Pro. So, of course, S-Pro won a bunch of races. It's won 5 races so far, okay? But the big news, of course, was in the pre-market. They announced that they received $66 million up front from GSK, a big pharma, of course, and with royalties perhaps to come. But, I mean, the big news is getting $66 million up front for a little company that was sitting at 82 cents yesterday. So all you can see this big market move, this tan area right here is the market move. And I said, well, listen, guys, if this can take out 238, because if you look on a daily chart, you can see right there, 238, I think, were the highs right here. And then look at the room it had. I think the next high was 512. And of course, when I say that, I'm not saying it's going to get to 512, but once it crossed that 238, you didn't have to worry about any intra-chart resistance. And look what it did. It got all the way up to 317. I mean, it's pulling back a lot now. Always have to be aware, low float situation, etc. But what a trade. What a bunch of alerts from our race. Okay, guys, we'll get back into the trading room. So I'll open it tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.